The book writing process does not start with writing the first few words of a book's manuscript. It starts with asking yourself, why do I want to write a book? Hi, I'm Vikrant Shaurya and I'm the founder and CEO of the Books Factory, which has a professional team of publishers, writers, designers, and marketers helping people turn their book ideas into a bestseller in just 180 days. If you are busy professionals or a business leader who want to publish a book but simply don't have the time or skill to write a book, the Books Factory will get it all done for you. And if you want to know how you can self-publish like a pro, because we love to help aspiring authors by coming up with new video guides every week, make sure you click that subscribe button. Okay, so for this episode, let's talk about why do you want to write a book? Starting with why is the best advice for anyone starting anything new and meaningful, from successful book author and thought leader Simon Sinek. Finding your why and staying true to it will help you write a book that will bring tremendous value to your readers and carry you through this difficult process. There are many reasons for writing a book. Here are some of the most inspiring ones to help you find your why. Number one, you want to help people who are going through the similar problem or experience. So you have gone through a difficult life experience and live to tell the tale of how you have come to the other end as a winner. This is the kind of inspiring self-improvement book that needs to be written. Number two, you want to be regarded as an authority. You have a desire to teach people in your field of expertise by writing a book. Think about how you can demonstrate your knowledge and experience by writing and elevate your status from expert to thought leader. Number three, you want to build a personal brand. Writing a book is equal to the first step in building a personal brand. Find out what you're good at. Your work topping the bestseller list is proof that people are buying what you're selling. Take this chance to expand your message and entice people to follow you. Number four, you want to build a better business and get more clients. A best-selling author is more likely to be taken seriously. This spells success for your business venture. Being an expert on a certain industry would get you foot in the door, attracting top-tier talent to work for you, getting more business deals, and selling your ideas and expertise at a much higher rate than before. Number five, you want to launch a career as a writer. Transitioning to a writing career for the love of the craft is reason enough to write a series of books. The world needs writers now more than ever to tell stories, educate, entertain, and make sense of the world. Okay, so now, which of these reasons inspire you to push forward with writing a book? Let me know by commenting below. And here's an author assignment for you. After you watch this video, think about your why and list down your top 3 book ideas. And if possible, please comment your book ideas in the comment section. And if you need any help to get your book idea off the ground, consult with us privately for free. Visit us at thebooksfactory.com to book your meeting. And make sure to like this video, which is going to inspire me to create more informational videos for you, which is going to help you on your publishing journey. And also hit the bell and subscribe to the Books Factory channel to watch more videos on how you can self-publish like a pro. See you next time. Thank you for watching.